This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
Hey everybody, this is Nakia coming to you from CES 2013, and behind me is the Joombox booth. Looks like it's a revolutionary karaoke machine, so let's see what they got going on over here.
Our international CES 2013 coverage is sponsored in part by GoDaddy.com. Get domain names, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers, all easy to manage and configure. GoDaddy has all your web needs. Visit tpn.tv/GoDaddy for special offers.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Rashid, and we're going to talk about his product, the Joombox. What can you tell me about this device?
This is the first streaming box that makes you sing. So what's the difference between this streaming device and other is like you can do all streaming of movies, you can play Android games, but the most differentiator of this box is that it's a karaoke. You can just get all the songs of all the languages, karaoke version of the songs, you can get it and you can sing a song and you can record the song, you can publish to the YouTube, Facebook. So it's like a music, it's a content generator. It's like you can create your own music and publish to the YouTube, Facebook, you can buy and sell them. So that's what it makes different from all other devices.
That sounds really, really cool. What sets it, well, I guess what sets it apart is that I can immediately upload to YouTube and Facebook?
Yes, so as you can find any songs of any languages, the karaoke versions of the song, and you can sing it and then record it and then publish to the YouTube, Facebook, just from the box.
About how easy is it to use?
Just like any other device you have at home, you can plug into your home theater, connect it to the TV, connect it to a home theater, and just connect to the wireless internet you have or the wired internet. That's it. This is the device like you have any other device at home.
Sounds pretty cool. Does it only come in black?
It comes in the two. One is the piano black, one is the rubber paint or matte color. So it's come in two shades right now.
And I see that there's two ports, so I can have multiple singers?
Yeah, we can connect two microphone or one microphone, one digital keyboard we can connect, and we can create the new music. And right.
So if I had a mic and a keyboard, I could just make music and then upload it to YouTube?
Yeah, upload to the YouTube, Facebook, or to just our own server, Joombox server.
Sounds amazing. We're going to take a quick break so we can get a word from our sponsors, and we'll be right back.
So you've got that new idea, and you've got that new product, and you want to show it off, but you don't have a website. Well, I've got a solution for you and anyone else in your shoes. That will be GoDaddy.com. With their all-new website builder, it makes it fast and easy for anyone to get started. And with thousands of templates at your disposal, it's faster than ever. And also, your brand new site will be mobile ready, so you don't have anything to worry about. And you will find that with going with GoDaddy.com, it saves you a ton of time and a ton of money. Trust me on that. So our viewers who are watching all of our CES coverage today, go to GoDaddy.com and enter the promo code WST50 at checkout, and you'll receive 50% off of your subscription. Let me say that again, because I'm not lying. Go to GoDaddy.com, enter the promo code WST50 at checkout, and you'll receive 50% off of your subscription. It doesn't get much better than that.
Now we're back. The big question that I have is, when can I see this on the market, and then how much is this going to cost me?
Yeah, we did a private beta launch in 2 months back in Washington, D.C. area. We got a very good response. Now we are getting ahead for the public launch in the spring of this year. So it's the pre-ordering is coming soon on our website, joombox.tv, and you can pre-order it from there. It should be available in the market in the spring of this year. All right. The price is $149.
$149, it's not bad.
It comes with the microphone and all your cables and everything.
It comes with a mic too?
Yeah, one mic too.
It's kind of amazing.
This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.